Welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll walk you through how to activate iPhone Easy Touch. Here are the steps to activate iPhone Easy Touch or the Assistive Touch. First, unlock your iPhone and go and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Tap Touch under the Physical and Motor section. Tap Assistive Touch. Turn on the switch beside Assistive Touch. A small floating circle will appear on the screen. Tap the floating circle to open Quick Actions. Tap Custom Top Level menu to change shortcut icons if desired. Tap any icon to select the action it performs. For example, Home, Notification Center, Screenshot, Siri, etc. Tap Custom to assign single tap, double tap, or long press actions. Adjust idle opacity by going to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, Assistive Touch Idles, and opacity to the button becomes lighter when not in use. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.